The 6000 series is rack-mounted control equipment that delivers video content and graphics to Daktronics LED displays. Both the DI and the VP have a flexible form factor design with components that can be arranged in various configurations. In this training, we will be looking at the configuration menu, specifically the option for identification. When creating the identification for the 6000, one of the most important parts is the naming of the device and the mode. Doing so appropriately will provide you with a quick glance to identify which 6000 you are working on, particularly if you have multiple processors. When you have multiple processors, such as primary, backup, or location naming such as East End Zone, West End Zone, Front Desk, you will see the naming on the top of the web user interface. Another key point about identification is the identification tile on the main dashboard. This tile also contains the DAC bus GUID. This GUID is how the controller is registered in Venus Control Suite. This information is not found anywhere else. Let's take a look at what information you can include. From the main user menu on the left side of the screen, select the wrench for configuration. This will open the identification window. If you previously were in another view, you can select the identification option under the configuration menu. Device name. This is the first section of the naming you will see in the title bar. This is where you will designate the words that make sense to you to identify the player: East, West, Front Desk, Arena, etc. Mode. This is where you'll select if this is your primary or a backup processor. This will show in the second section of the title bar. Information under the customer listings pertains to the basic system registration information. These may be filled out by Daktronics personnel during system installation. If not, you are able to edit these fields. This information can assist you when working with a technician to properly identify your equipment. Number refers to the Daktronics customer identification number. Name. This will be the customer name associated to this equipment at Daktronics. The order number field. This is your Daktronics order number that is tied to specific equipment. Location number. The location number typically follows the Daktronics customer number entered in the top field. The location number is site-specific to the equipment at that site. Example, 0536722-001. If you have another location with Daktronics equipment, you may have 0536722-002, and so on. Location name. This would be the site-specific name. If the first field name was a school district, then the location name would be the name of the specific school with the equipment. Device location. This refers to your choice of naming to help physically locate the device. This is important when multiple processors are installed in different locations, such as one set in the football stadium, another set in the baseball stadium, with two different control rooms, for example. Be sure to save your changes. Daktronics customers wanting more information on the 6000 series may search our online knowledge base at www.daktronics.com/support. In the search bar, enter 6000 plus the feature you want more information on and click the search button.